Good day, everyone. How are you today? I hope you're fine. We are now going to discuss about solving rational equations. Our objective for today is to solve rational equations. But first, let us have to find the least common denominator. 1/8, 1/4, and 1/6. 1 over 2x and 1 over x. 1 over x and 1 over x plus 10. For 1/8, 1/4, and 1/6, let us find first the multiples of 8. The multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, and 40. The multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and 24. The multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, and 24. What do you think is the common multiple? It is 24. So the least common denominator of 1/8, 1/4, and 1/6 is 24. How about 1 over 2x and 1 over x? The LCD is 2x. How about 1 over x and 1 over x plus 10? The LCD is x times x plus 10. Rule number 1. Eliminate the rational expressions in the equation by multiplying both sides of the equation by the LCD or the least common denominator. Number 2. Solve the equation. Number 3. Check your solution. To solve a rational equation, start by multiplying each term of the equation by the least common denominator or LCD of all the expressions in the equation. This step eliminates the denominators of the rational expression and results in an equation you can solve by using algebra. Let's solve for x. X over 5 plus 1 over 4 is equal to x over 2. The LCD of the denominators is 20. So you multiply 20 to both sides of the equation, which results to 20 multiplied by x over 5 plus 20 times 1/4 is equal to 20 times the quantity x over 2. That results to 4x plus 5 is equal to 10x. Then you're going to subtract both sides by 5. So that results to 4x is equal to 10x minus 5. Then after that, you're going to subtract both sides by 10x. So 4x minus 10x is equal to negative 5. That results to negative 6x is equal to negative 5. You divide both sides by negative 6, which results to 5 over 6. Let's check x is equal to 5 over 6. So 5 over 6 over 5 plus 1/4. So is it equal to 5 over 6 over 2? So that becomes 5 over 6 times the reciprocal of 5, which is 1/5, plus 1/4. Is it equal to 5 over 6 multiplied by the reciprocal of 2, which is 1/2. So you're going to cancel 5 since it is common to numerator and denominator, which results to 1 over 6 plus 1/4. Is it equal to 5 over 12? Then you're going to find the LCD of 6 and 4, which is 12. So 12 divided by 6 is 2. So multiply that 1 to 1. Plus 12 divided by 4 is 3. Then you multiply that 1 to 1. That results to 2 plus 3 over 12. Is it equal to 5 over 12? So 2 plus 3 is 5. So 5 over 12 is equal to 5 over 12. So the solution is 5 over 6. Let's solve for x. 2 over x minus 3 over 2x is equal to 1 over 5. So you're now going to find the least common denominator, which is 10x. So you multiply both sides of the equation by 10x. So this becomes 10x multiplied by 2 over x minus 10x multiplied by 3 over 2x is equal to 10x multiplied by 1 over 5. 10x multiplied by 2 over x results to 20 minus 10x multiplied by 3 over 2x results to 15, since 10 times 3 is 30 divided by 2 is 15. Then you cancel out the x. Then 10x multiplied by 1 over 5 results to 2x, since 10 divided by 5 is 2. So that is 2x. So 20 minus 15 is 5. So 5 is equal to 2x. By reflexive property, you can interchange the variable and the constants. So that becomes 2x is equal to 5. So the variable on the left hand side and the constant on the right hand side. So x now is equal to 5 over 2. Let's check. So if x is equal to 5 over 2, so 2 over 5 over 2 minus 3 over 2 times the quantity 5 over 2 is equal to 1/5. So here, you're going to cancel out 2, since it is common to numerator and denominator. So 2 times 2/5 minus 3/5 is equal to 1/5. So that becomes 4/5 minus 3/5 is equal to 1/5. So 4 minus 3 over 5, is it equal to 1/5? So 4 minus 3 is 1. So 1/5 is equal to 1/5. Therefore, the solution is 5 over 2. Let us solve these problems. Solve the equation x minus 18 over x is equal to 3. Solve the equation 10 over 3 is equal to 4 over x plus 2. Solve the equation x plus 2 over x minus 3 plus x over 5 is equal to 5 over x minus 3. Let us solve the equation x minus 18 over x is equal to 3. So x minus 18 over x is equal to 3. So let us now find the LCD, which is x. So multiply both sides by x. So x multiplied by x minus 18 over x multiplied by x is equal to 3x. So we can cancel x since it is common on the numerator and denominator. So this becomes x squared minus 18 is equal to 3x. So let's transfer 3x to the left side. That is because we can sense that it is of the form of a quadratic equation. So this becomes x squared minus 3x minus 18 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let's now apply factoring. So this becomes x minus 6 times the quantity x plus 3 is equal to 0. That is, x is equal to 6 or x is equal to negative 3. Let us now check if x is equal to 6 or x is equal to negative 3 is true for this equation. If x is equal to 6, so 6 minus 18 over 6 is equal to 3. So 6 minus 3, is it equal to 3? So 3 is equal to 3. If x is equal to negative 3, negative 3 minus 18 over negative 3, is it equal to 3? So negative 3 minus negative 6, is it equal to 3? Negative 3 plus 6, is it equal to 3? So 3 is equal to 3. Therefore, the solution is 6 and negative 3. Let us now solve the equation 10 over 3 is equal to 4 over x plus 2. Let us now multiply 3x to both sides of the equation since it is the LCD. So 10 over 3 multiplied by 3x is equal to 4 over x multiplied by 3x plus 2 times 3x. So that is, okay, since 3 is common to numerator and denominator, we shall now cancel it. And also here in the 4x over x multiplied by 3x, x is common, so we shall cancel the x there. So that becomes 10x is equal to 12 plus 6x. Okay. We subtract both sides by 6x. So 10x minus 6x is equal to 12. So 10x minus 6x is 4x. So 4x is equal to 12. Then after that, we shall divide both sides by 4 so that we can find the value of x. So x is equal to 3. In checking, if x is equal to 3, so 10 over 3, is it equal to 4 over 3 plus 2? So 10 over 3, so we shall now multiply both sides by 3 because it is the LCD. So 10 over 3, is it equal to 4 over 3 plus 2? So after that one, 10 over 3 multiplied by 3, is it equal to 4 over 3 multiplied by 3 plus 2 times 3? Then we shall cancel 3 because since it is common to the numerator and denominator. That becomes 10, is it equal to 4 plus 6? So 10 is equal to 10. Therefore, the solution is 3. Let us now solve the equation x plus 2 over x minus 3 plus x over 5 is equal to 5 over x minus 3. We shall now multiply both sides of the equation by the LCD, which is 5 times x minus 3. So we shall now have x plus 2 over x minus 3 multiplied by 5 times x minus 3 plus x over 5 multiplied by 5 times x minus 3 is equal to 5 over x minus 3 multiplied by 5 times x minus 3. We shall now cancel x minus 3 here in the first term because it is common. And in the second one, we shall now cancel 5 because it is common. And in the last one, 5 over x minus 3 times 5 over x minus 3 times 5 times x minus 3. We shall now cancel the x minus 3 since it is common in the numerator and denominator. So it results to 5 times x plus 2 plus x times x minus 3 is equal to 25. Distribute 5 to x plus 2 and x to x minus 3. So that becomes 5x plus 10 plus x squared minus 3x is equal to 25. We shall now arrange it in descending order. So that becomes x squared plus 5x minus 3x plus 10 is equal to 25. That results to x squared plus 2x plus 10 is equal to 25. So notice that this equation is in the form of a quadratic form. So that becomes x squared plus 2x plus 10 minus 25 is equal to 0. We shall now have to subtract 25 both sides of the equation because it is the process of solving quadratic equation. So that becomes x squared plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0. So you shall apply factoring there. So x plus 5 multiplied by x minus 3 is equal to 0. So the value of x is equal to negative 5 or x is equal to 3. Let us now check if x is equal to negative 5. So negative 5 plus 2 over negative 5 minus 3 plus negative 5 over 5 is it equal to 5 over negative 5 minus 3. So that becomes negative 3 over negative 8 minus 1 is it equal to 5 over negative 8. We shall now multiply both sides of the equation by negative 8 because it is the LCD. So in the first term, we shall cancel negative 8 and also on the last part. That results to negative 3 plus 8 is it equal to 5. So 5 is equal to 5. If x is equal to 3, so 3 plus 2 over 3 minus 3 plus 3 over 5 is equal to 5 over 3 minus 3. So that results to 5 over 0 plus 3 over 5 is equal to 5 over 0. We all know that any number divided by 0 is undefined. Therefore, x is equal to 3 is not a solution to the problem. So the solution is negative 5. Now here are the references by General Mathematics DepEd Teaching Guide, Oronce Orlando A, General Mathematics Quezon City Rex Bookstore, and Reyes Edward C, General Mathematics Quarter 1 Module 2 Relational Functions 2020 DepEd Northern Mindanao. Thank you very much for watching and listening, and keep safe. Subscribe to Analyze Math.